As international lawyers, we were very interested in thinking about how does one unmake international obligations that have been built up over a period of decades.
And it's quite complicated to actually get out of all those legal rules that bind the UK at the moment, but at the same time to sort of replace them by something new.
So never in our experience had we had this kind of a complex breakdown of a relationship and a desire to disentangle. And so this was the genesis of writing the book, and we started looking at the number of issues that arose.
So we've decided to deal with a variety of different topics on which Brexit has deeper implications, and especially to bring them together in one collection, because that hasn't really been done yet. So we tried to look at various topics ranging from trade to financial services to intellectual property, environmental questions, and also human rights.
And in each case, we're examining the international law implications of this move to disentangle the United Kingdom from European Union law. So we thought it would be really useful to get different perspectives. So in this book, we have authors who are from the United Kingdom, from the European Union, and from North America.
And the authors of the book have tried to show what are the rules that come from EU law at the moment. What benefits do those rules bring for the UK, and what would actually happen if those rules are no longer there.
And I think we've done the work in this book to pull together a really good collection of insights into the international law implications of Brexit that will be useful to any country around the world trying to rethink its relationship with the UK.
Reading this book and reading about all the issues across all those sectors gives you a very deep understanding of the different problems that there are, because not all of the issues that are mentioned in the book have been really prominent in the public discussion so far.
The solutions all require compromise. So when people say Brexit means Brexit, we'll just leave, that's the way we do it. People need to understand what the consequences are of that.
So if you want to go beyond the rhetoric of Brexit means Brexit and no agreement is better than a bad agreement, I really encourage you to read this book, because it gives you great indications on what is feasible, what is possible. It's a great read, it's very interesting, and it's very detailed, so you will get all sorts of information about the consequences of Brexit and the potential way forward.